I work for Pfizer, which is the largest pharmaceutical company in the world. We make a range of different compounds, such as Lipitor, which is an anti-cholesterol compound, and Viagra, which is probably the most famous compound we make. So in my department, I work for chemical research and development, and we're responsible for making drug substance supplies. So that's the active ingredient in medicines, and we make that to fund clinical studies and ultimately to transfer to manufacturing to fund the marketplace. My role in particular, I guess, is to lead a project team, to work very closely with analysts and formulators and chemists, and to really make sure that all aspects of delivering the material and delivering the route are looked after and accommodated. We do pretty much what you'd imagine at school. We get round bottom flasks and we fill them with white solids and different reagents, and we warm them up and we cool them down, and then we analyse to see what we've got, and then we try and isolate compounds. So it's kind of, for me, it's a little bit like cooking. You add ingredients in and then you heat it up, and then hopefully you get the right product out at the end. And sometimes it's like cooking, sometimes what you get out at the end is exactly what you want, and other times it's a complete mess and you back to start again. So back to the drawing board. I think I really enjoy working with a whole range of different people. So my job changes every day. So sometimes I'm talking to analysts, sometimes I'm talking to formulators, sometimes I'm talking to clinicians, and just a whole range of different people. So no one day is ever the same in this place, which is good. So I left school, and then I felt I was pretty good at the sciences, so I went off to university and I studied environmental chemistry. I did that for 4 years in Edinburgh. After that, I wanted to pursue the chemistry part, the organic synthesis piece. So I went off to Nottingham and I did a PhD there for 3 years. And then from that, I came straight to Pfizer after that. I guess I'd try and advise you to, if you've got a chemistry teacher or something, talk to them about the different roles and opportunities there might be. I guess if you really love the sort of practical side of it and you love making things and creating things, then it's a really great job to do. So try and talk to someone and maybe look into opportunities to study further, university courses, or there may be a large pharmaceutical company or a small company near you that does chemistry, and maybe try and get in talk to them and find out about the different roles that are involved and see how it goes. So the company as a whole globally is huge. I couldn't put a figure on that. On this site, I think there are about between 5,000 and 6,000 people. So that gives you the magnitude of the different types of people you can interact with every day. I mean, a whole range of backgrounds, skill sets. The diversity here is just enormous.